ever had doubt about these fly traps working, don't. I mean, look at that. We live next to an open field, so there's tons and tons of flies all the time. And especially with the hot weather and such, and the animals that are out here in the field. So I bought one of these from Home Depot the other day. It's the Rescue Disposable Fly Trap. Add water, subtract flies. All you do is literally, where it says cut on the dotted line, you cut that. I cut it a little bit shorter just to make sure that it didn't fall through. And then you pull it up. So you cut it and then you pull that up. And then you insert your own string there, tie it. I like triple knotted it. And then I hung it on my fence. And look how many flies I have in it. I mean, it actually took about a day and a half, almost 2 days. I think before the vomit inside of it got really ripened, and then they were jumping in by the droves to their own death. It makes me so happy to see them like this because I cannot stand flies. And then also too, it works, is the strips. I got the strips. As you can see, lots and lots and lots and lots of flies on the strip. And I thought that was like, wow, that was crazy. Then when I saw the bag, it's insane. There are easily 200 flies inside of there. And they're more dead.